If you're looking for the best WP Engine coupon code or discount available right now, this is the deal you want to use. Right now, there's an exclusive WP Engine WordPress hosting offer that lets you save significantly on managed WordPress hosting. With this offer, you can get WP Engine Startup Plan for $27 per month, 3 months free included with the plan, up to $105 in savings, and exclusive discounted pricing not shown on the standard WP Engine page. And the best part is, you don't even need to enter a coupon code manually. The discount is automatically applied at checkout when you use the special link in the description below this video. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still receive the lowest WP Engine pricing available. Now let me show you exactly how to activate the WP Engine discount step by step. First, scroll down to the description below this video and click the WP Engine discount link I provided. Once you click that link, you'll land on the exclusive WP Engine offer page. This page shows the special pricing available for new WP Engine customers. Right now, the available plans include Startup Plan, 1 website, up to 25,000 visits per month, $27 per month, Professional Plan, 3 websites, up to 75,000 visits per month, $49 per month, Growth Plan, 10 websites, up to 100,000 visits per month, $98 per month, Scale Plan, 30 websites, up to 400,000 visits per month, $248 per month. For most people starting a website, the startup plan is usually the best option, especially if you're launching your first WordPress site. Once you choose your plan, simply click Buy Now. Now, this is the part many people ask about. With this offer, the WP Engine coupon code is automatically applied in the cart, so you do not need to type in a coupon code manually. When you reach the checkout page, you'll see the discounted pricing already applied, including the 3 months free promotion. This means you're already getting the lowest pricing available for WP Engine hosting. From here, you'll simply create your WP Engine account, enter your billing information, confirm your plan. Once your purchase is complete, you'll be able to install WordPress and start building your website immediately. WP Engine is one of the most popular managed WordPress hosting providers and is designed specifically for high-performance WordPress websites. Some of the benefits include fast website performance, managed WordPress updates, advanced security protection, daily backups, expert WordPress support. This is why WP Engine is often used by business websites, agencies, bloggers, and professional WordPress developers. If you want to get the lowest WP Engine price available, make sure you use the discount link in the description. That link activates the exclusive pricing and automatically applies the coupon in the checkout cart. Without the link, the pricing may appear higher on the standard WP Engine website.